In this video, I'm going to share with you my tips on how to make money with sales funnels coming up. Hello everyone and welcome. So I'm really excited to make this video here because CartFlows has come up with a feature that allows us to export our templates for our sales funnels. Now, what does this mean? This means that you can share your funnels or even design funnels and sell them. So there are so many marketplaces out there. You can sell them on your own website, and Elegant Themes is coming out with a marketplace where you can sell your designs. So I think this is a great opportunity for designers to really use their skills and design sales funnels for small businesses or even consultants and entrepreneurs. So I'm really excited about this because I've created a few templates. Now, these ones were just basic, like header, footer templates. And for those of you that follow my channel, I'm sure you've seen my Genesis template and also my Blogger Pro template. Now, those have really worked successfully for me, and I'm really excited about that. Now, with this added on to the list of things that we can sell as templates, this is really, really exciting news. Now, let me just give you an overview of how this works. So if I come over here to my website that's running CartFlows, and by the way, CartFlows is the software that we're going to be using to create our sales funnels. All right, so before we get started, the sales funnels software that we're going to be using is called CartFlows, and if you buy it using my affiliate link in the video description below, I will give you access to my Sales Funnel Mastery course, a course that teaches you how to design professional looking funnels with CartFlows. And also the page builder that we're going to be using here is Divi, and if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, you also get access to my web design formula course, a course that teaches you how to design professional looking websites with Divi. All right, so let's dive in and let me show you how to use this feature, which allows us to export and import our funnels. All right, so over here, I'm on my website that is running CartFlows and Divi. All right, so go ahead and click on CartFlows. So here is where you would get to see all your sales funnels. So I created a basic one here called business consultation, and let's just take a quick look and see what the pages look like. So here we are going to open the sales page in a new tab. So pretty much this is the page right here. And if I click here on buy now, it takes us to a basic checkout page as well, which looks something like this. All right, so back over here now, how do we actually export our templates and how can we sell them? So here goes. So over here, this is the main funnel, okay? So you don't want to go into the actual steps. So this is the main funnel. So what you could do here is click on it. So let's say you have more than one. You just select the one that you want here and then click on export. Now, as soon as you hit export and then export again, this is going to download the JSON file. Now, this file here pretty much has everything that builds up this sales funnel. So this includes all the steps. It includes the images. It also maintains the fonts that you use and also the colors. Now, I've already tested this, and this is really a game changer when it comes to opportunities for us to make money with our sales funnels. So when I tested this, I could not believe how it just brings pretty much everything that you have to a brand new website, which someone else can use and replicate pretty much the same funnel that you have for their own success as well. But the only thing is you'd need to go in and add the product themselves, because if you don't add the products, then you're going to have a problem with the sales page linking up with your own products. Now, if you really think about it, if I, let's say, for example, have my main products as a consultant, and maybe it's a business consultant product, and I've added them into WooCommerce, when you import it, you also need to add your products. Otherwise, it won't work. Now, I know what I'm saying here may not make sense. I go into detail on other videos on CartFlows on my YouTube channel, so please check them out. In fact, the video that I've made before this one here explains how this works in detail. But pretty much you can sell your sales funnels or you can share them with anyone in your community. But the most important thing is you can also use this as a lead generation option, whereby you give your sales funnel for free in order to help people sell their courses, sell their services, or sell their physical products. So this is a great opportunity to either make money selling your sales funnel designs, or you could use this as a lead generator, or finally, you could use this to just share this with your community. All right, guys, so pretty much this is all I have in today's video. So go ahead and try it out and see if you can export, import them. And like I said, this is a great opportunity of making money with our sales funnels. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. By doing so, you're going to be notified when I release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.